So here's a tutorial to show you how to edit your branding templates from your Turnkey Noomu website template in Canva. There's another tutorial showing you how to find this page, but basically it's under your pages, it's labeled private, and it has all the links on it for you. So once you have reached this page, you can click on the link and it will open into Canva for you, and it says use template for new design. So if you have a free Canva account, you can use this. And the moment that you say use this for a new design, it is going to be inside your Canva account and you'll be able to see it as a recent design. So here is the logo, and it is a number of different pieces. If you want to see all the layers that are in there, you can see them. When you see something like this means this is a few things that have been grouped together. This text and this is grouped. And if you want to move stuff or edit them, you can ungroup them. It's just grouped so that it stays together in the right place, but you can change that at any time. So you can click on any element, you can change the colors, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can change what it says, change the names as much as you'd like. You can also replace this image, delete it, or by going over to elements and find a different image that you would like to have. But basically, Canva is a drag and drop kind of system that makes it easy for you to do stuff. When you want to download it, you go to share and you would go download, and you can choose the format that you want. You would want a PNG in this case. That works perfectly to add onto your website. There is also a favicon template, and a favicon is the image that appears up here in the browser. So Canva has a C, and you can see this website has this. And again, you're just going to go use template for a new design, and you don't have to save the things that you work on in Canva. It gets saved for you. So again, if you change the name of your website, you want to change these letters, colors, you just click on the elements that you want. They can be dragged and dropped. Everything. It's pretty much like working with a document. You're just playing with all the elements. And the final one is the social sharing image, which is the image that will appear. If there's no image on your site, then it will show this one. So, like when someone shares something on Facebook or wherever. So, you can use that for a new design, and it has a photo that is a background. So, right now you can see it's a background. You can detach it from the background, set image as a background. You could find different photos to put or whatever images, however you'd like to do it. This is all put in a group again because it could be moved around very easily. And if you find you want to move things, say you want to move something to the front or back, you can you can just move. Actually, that's the background. You can't do that. You'd have to detach it. But you can move things like that, which doesn't quite make sense here, but I'm just showing you if you find that you're working on it and you need something to be up front and something to be in the back, it's easy to drag around. So that's a quick overview of using Canva. At eKit Hub, we do have lots of Canva videos, so I will link you to our Canva playlist if you want to dig deeper into the things that you want to do. And I hope that gives you a good quick overview and shows you that it's super easy for you to edit your Canva templates.